One of the hardest parts of running an online business is staying consistent with your emails. You know, it's important to stay in touch with your audience. But let's be honest, writing fresh, engaging emails every week can feel exhausting. That's where AI Scale Stack steps in. Instead of struggling with writer's block or spending hours drafting, editing, and rewriting, you can use AI driven bots that do the writing for you. These bots are designed to create ready to send high quality emails that match your tone and style without you lifting a finger. What makes this powerful is the done for you automation. You set up the system once and it generates consistent on brand emails that keep your audience engaged, build trust, and ultimately turn subscribers into paying customers. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need a special tech skills. And you definitely don't need to spend hours glued to your laptop. AI Scale Stack was built to remove the stress of content creation while giving you the freedom to focus on growing your income. And here's the best part, it comes with a money back guarantee, so you can try it out risk free, see how it works for you, and only keep it if you love the results. If you're ready to stop worrying about what to write and finally stay consistent with your emails, click the link in my description and start building your automated system today.